The spider ceiling is a famous place in Longshan Temple. It is to make sound louder. We want to know if it is true. We did some sound tests.
Ratio number 3 has louder sound.
It's easy to make a sound speaker. Longshan Temple is full of surprise, isn't it?
Spider ceiling. The ceiling is an important place in Longshan Temple. It's to collect the sound.
We need to know if it is true. We did some sound tests.
Ratio number 4 has louder sound.
You can make a music sound speaker next time. Isn't it interesting?